Magadha Empire. Now, Magadha Empire we will discuss. Haryanka dynasty. The first important and powerful dynasty in Magadha, Haryanka dynasty. Bimbisara, to 558 BCE to 491 BCE. Bimbisara was the founder of the Haryanka dynasty, son of Bhattiya. He ruled over Magadha from 544 BCE to 493 BCE. Contemporary and follower of Buddha, was also said to be an admirer of Mahavira. He had his capital at Rajagriha, also known as Shreniya. As per the Jaina text, he was given this title because he was first king to have regular standing army and proper military power in ancient India. Bimbisara sent his royal physician Jivaka to King Pradyota of Ujjaina. Jivaka cured the Ujjain king and got praise and money rewards. He started practice of using matrimonial alliances to strengthen his political position. He had three wives: Mahakosala Devi of Mahakosala Devi, king of Kosala's daughter and sister of Prasenajit; Chellanna, daughter of Lichavi chief of Vaishali; and Khema, daughter of king of Modra in Punjab, Madra. Ajatashatru, 492 to 460 BCE, son of Bimbisara and Chellanna. He killed his father and became the ruler. Throughout his time, he followed an aggressive policy of expansion. Ajatashatru followed the policies of conquest and expansion. He defeated his neighbors, including the king of Kosala. His brother also occupied Kashi, which was given to the Bimbisara as dowry. This led to a war between the Magadha and Kosala. Ajatashatru finally occupied the Kashi and captured the smaller kingdoms. Vajji Confederation was Ajatashatru's next target of attack. This war was a lengthy one, and tradition tells us that after a long period of 16 years, he was able to defeat the Vajji only through deceit, by sowing the seeds of discord among the people of Vajji. So that is the power of Vajji. That is, the Vajji Confederation was Ajatashatru's next target. But this war was a lengthy one, and tradition tells us that after a long period of 16 years, he was able to defeat the Vajji only through deceit, by sowing the seeds of discord among the people of Vajji. Three things that played an important role to the defeat of Vajji are Sunidha and Vatsakara. Ajatashatru's diplomatic ministers are Sunidha and Vatsakara, who sowed the seeds of discord among the Vajjis. Rathamusala, a kind of chariot to which a mace was attached. And this is Rana's armor in the Bahubali movie. Rathamusala, a kind of chariot to which a mace was attached. And Mahashmala Kantaka, a war engine which capitulated the big stones. Mahashila Kantaka, a war engine which capitulated the big stones, a catapulter. In this way, the Kashi and Vaishali, the capital of Vajji, were added to the Magadha. That is, in this way, the Kashi and the Vaishali, capital of Vajji, were added to the Magadha, making it most powerful territorial power in the Gangetic Valley. He built the fort of Rajagriha and a watch fort. He built a fort of Rajagriha and a watch fort Jaladurga at the village called Patali on the banks of the Ganges. Rajagriha, his capital was Rajagriha, and built a fort there, but also developed a village, a small fort at the village called Patali on the banks of the river Ganges, that is called Jaladurga. Embraced Buddhism. He convened the first Buddhist council at Rajagriha after the death of the Buddha in 483 BCE. Who was Ajatashatru? Udayin from 460 to 440 BCE, son of Ajatashatru, shifted the capital to Pataliputra, Patna, last of the major Haryanka rulers, succeeded by the three kings Aniruddha, Manda and Nagadasaka. Nagadasaka was the last ruler of the Haryanka dynasty. He was found unworthy to rule by the people and was forced to abdicate his throne in favor of his minister Shishunaga. So that is all about the Magadha Empire.